Abusuya mama yentie one of the most hypocrite guys in this country. Nyachumni ba kupa wo man we no. Mama yentie no. Ni yentie nsema wo kan yewi na yedi nkomo kakra.
They are not. Otumfuo has the power to say no one is to step out, and everybody was in the room. If Otumfuo says enough is enough for Galamsey, something will happen. Yes. That alone is a sign. That alone is a sign that the traditional leader.
Or say if Otumfuo says nobody should come out, now UBMP dia Otumfuo has the power to stop Galamsey. Na Mashasi and Mekacho say he's one of the most hypocrite guys. Aside the hypocrisy, no, wasanzwa bon onimadiye. Aside the hypocrisy, wabon onimadiye. Omo yanswa na yinyachum ene yeno, buapayo ne yeno. He is being deliberately ignorant. Omo ya ne mumsa wabon dia enye Raf. Also will pay drubi yon. So what bon I was all paid rubio. Say Adaya, Otumfuo would to me say or catch it, man for ne say my man for him pay my bontin brewi. Na man for na madia. Otumfuo who to me say was stopping Galamsey or Ghana. Raf, in the first place, what were Bam Otumfuo? Okosa light for Bam Otumfuo. I'm asking you. Good border, yen na ye kan wasem no. Otumfuo wati gold board bi? Otumfuo wati gold board bi? Ana oko sala ya homache. Eko tuaba edi ma santima yura. Wati kokoso oko tuaba de ma no. Woko tuaba de ma no. Se wani nswade a efa nwura manhia. Se wa fofra emfa enwura manhia Raf. Emfa nwura manhia. Munyachum ne muni pa bonisem nti ena omane da so tese de yete munyachum mu mane da mo dada manfo ne se de mo okuma manfo ne nso de mo pentia nsem hunu ena mudi ne krum ha emra na ado danko akufa do teso de na Galamsey ne ho sobo ne yemfa mo na ado danko akufa do ono na na ebetumi ako eno de mo ammo yewuradin wom Mahama betena so de enam se eye mu favorite amuntimi nka na asem nti ene de yewura na mo bonidi moja Mahama ho bebo yewuradi ene de moja John Dramani Mahama ho bebo yewuradi si yewura na enkoko Galamsey na akufodo teso na yewura wonte so adan ma mo yewuradi si yewura menko Galamsey adan na akufodo teso no ma mo yewuradi si yewura emra no menko Galamsey Mahama betena so ye mu favorite de chese ene yewura na ebetumi akko Galamsey san se yewura se hwa na manfo na MP brewi wo ma MP inti yewura to me so okase enko yenye Galamsey bija na in your ignorance mu nyina no unim se Galamsey na nya Ashanti region so nko an yetu no Galamsey no Ashanti region nko an yetu no Ashanti region en yetu Galamsey no inti wo mo wo sen ene kokase central for ni eastern for ni other regions na yetu Galamsey o kokase wo mo hne se wo mo nso ene wo mo manfo ne nkasa nya twemfo hypocrite ene de woja Mahama ho bebo yewura so bo so wono na enkoko Galamsey na wo watu aba ma yewura wo watu aba ama yewura wo watu aba de ama no. What kind of nonsense is this? Mutiti krom hana nsem hunu saa na mudi and just because of some man for ni tie mu ntino ma take you for granted and mu lead charge against unnecessary things. Watu aba ma yewura good board yewura na de baaye ene mon kan kire Mahama se on resign na yewura mbetena akonya no so asmampanyi why mon kan kire Mahama se ni on resign na yewura mbetena akonya no so wono na emampanyi na mudua mo taxpayers money na yewura ho na eko manhia na eko sibuna akwa manhia na eko e ma monye yesa bibia na mo pese mo kotwe manhia di bewura eno no die nsemu no ana manhia no mo da sore na mo anka manhia asem a mo nda e die nsemu no edi ensemu no da bia menhia ade yewura ono nkwa na ye hene kese yewura ono nkwa na ye hene kese munyai ma ne dinda edi ensemu no so no se ade ya o tumi so wokase manfo ne nana manfo ne da idea obetumi akase Galamsey nya na Galamsey so bija isi hunu na woke kan Raf unim ne ya woke kan wo taxpayers money a wutua no wutua de ba menhia ana wutua de government Emra na Akufo do teso no, ubo ye wuradi wa galamsey mu da. Emra na Akufo do teso, ubo ye wuradi e wa galamsey mu da. What kind of nonsense is this? And yeah, that's already ya. What Mahama ho e ba be 40 ye wura so wono na enko galamsey. Wo dey try san sensem ni biem. Say ade ya ono na embeko galamsey. What kind of nonsense is that? Huh? Nonsense be no. Jai se munu no raf, jai. Jai se munu no jai. Em woni ntra woni nton. Emfa waso afofra emfa mama nhia. Se munu na wudi, se waso afofra emfa mama nhia. Ene na now do danko Akufo do so you called him all sort of names. Mo friend all sort of names. And then Mahama betina so ye ka galamsey ho asem. Who catch you say Mahama is too gentle and whatever. But Akufo the most way incompetent. But Mahama they were too gentle to fight galamsey. Ya maybe twa mu nyina mo ka mako mo. Mahama betina so no ye too gentle no de mama na brofo papa. Akufo do te so de mo so oye incompetent. But the mo fama fofrafo na influence ya. Nanka mo beti.
Yesi adwene enko ena nyansa nko but raf de wa adwene na ode dwene ene unyansa ne hye wotum sase wa adwene no mfa dwene me hu video bi a wo say so Otumfuo etimeka say okosie ne nua ba oya sante ma nti omonda na samanfo da obetina ka se galamsey no mugya na nyebia mebusa wo unyansa na ode kasa asem no 2023 to 2024 ne Akufo president no na Akufo na problem 2025 Mahama ye president a ogobo Otumfuo de mesra wo mo Otumfuo dinda Otumfuo no be president. You know, vote give Otumfuo. Untua tax and farm more Otumfuo. I dey tell you. Now, most sorry, I'm saying Otumfuo need to na 2 million asante wejin pe yate ase ye penisa asante man yate ase ye nkasa. Se si aga na hare one. We have 16 regions. Oba central region na galamsey koso ho Otumfuo wanyane de meboas according to mo. Eastern region galamsey koso Otumfuo wanyane de according to mo. Western north Buno East half region. Even Mahama nkasa ni krum. Mahama ni krum boli bamboy. Galamsey koso Otumfuo onyo onyine wo ho anameboa. You say you fool. You say you fool. No be way you talk to the man no get power. You know be people they talk. Go tell your Mahama where you vote give no so make you go solve galamsey. You know vote give Otumfuo. I dey warn you. You be stupid guy. You this rap guy. You mad. Like they don't for carry you go anchor food in those places no because you the mad person, no difference. See, make you respect yourself. I dey tell you. I don't want to see say you dey do that your foolish things then you dey mention Otumfuo in name again. But you Kwasia, I dey tell you, say you mad. You be foolish guy. Kwasia, you vote give Mahama finish. It come then they disappoint you. They can't mention one king in name. I dey beg you. You see say galamsey they go on for mention. Or is this a galamsey they go on for a doom and its environment? Master, let me tell you something. Even though you are a stupid guy, there was someone who said, we have 16 regions in this country. And according to you people, our king does not control all these regions. That's what you people have been saying online every day. And now you are sanctifying it. No, you are sanctifying mama nka so ye ono yo hine organ na nyina no ya sanctifying hine. But a do national issue there. And no there on na solve ma won. Nya ye gbemi. You reach national issue, that one they mention in him. But if you read the claim say he be the king of Ghana there, you people say no, that one there be. But he reach national issue, that one you they mention in him. So what he don't make he can't do give you. If you can say we will fool like the people with them, they follow you blindly way, like they my eye no open, can't say it is someone. And they tell you say 2025 where we day inside. I don't want to see any stupid person way they play plus one a kino. Tell your Mahama where you vote give them so make you go fix then find the way you go solve and say being when I deal opposition where they do math. If you can say they like they govern a country it be like talk it be math. It don't be math. It be sense where they take rule. You don't be math. That be the reason why I can disappoint you people where you people they fool. But I mean I tell you that your stupid things now you do for 2024 no make you no bring up for 2025 inside. Let down your mother side no. What about father side? Yawa peace, shalom, bye bye. Now me say Ralph the Busuya. So that guy in Ankasa I think say our mental problem. Me say I bring another danko Akufo was no. na eye Kufuor na eye Galamsey. It was his right to make sure that he solves Galamsey. You campaigned against Kufuor and Mahama winning. You were even happy praising Mahama here and there, all like why are there, like then Kwasia and the Mahama so to so Galamsey ni bi. You are there saying he says Otumfuo to me share like 8 more order. Say people should sleep, that's what mother they are. Obetina so Galamsey na bia no. Otumfuo otwa concession. And Otumfuo oyed more kind of saying lands and natural resources. Either work for them, or you pay tax give Otumfuo, or you vote give them. You this guy, I think you have a problem with your thinking and how you do your stuff. And I think by now you should be visiting the hospital to see a psychiatrist, so that they can actually, you know, do some checks up on you, because maybe problem now, maybe I will need. Maybe you have a problem that you don't even know. Because sometimes the way you behave, I'm often going to say, bro, we not crap. Ralph, we are telling you, John Dramani Mahama, if you want someone to solve Galamsey for you, go and see John Dramani Mahama, and he's going to solve it for you. Don't mention your kind of say Otumfuo's name whenever you are making your submission when it comes to Galamsey again. You come to Kumasi and say those things now, can you know? You say, yeah, chef, the way I will see you just come. You know, who said, come. Okay? Come. You see something small. You would see something small. Because a jar or my name now, Jimmy. But I think 2025 we will say sometimes you make sure say best sanitize social media space and nipa no mo so ni na say na be yanya phone kwa beti nya kasa na mjimefo no academy. That's what we should be doing, and we are going to make sure we do it. We're going to make sure we do it. It's gusubu pako. I will be share the floor. Why? We share the floor. For now, we are not going to say anything. We are just going to watch you do whatever you want to do. But when the time reach, we're going to say, Onoko, Yejen. Peace. Shalom. Bye-bye.